My name is Nicolle Hernandez. I am a Marine Corps veteran and currently a recruiter with Bank of the West. I am a registered employer with Pipeline AZ. I've worked with them as a partner in the past. Their platform is very, very user-friendly, and it allows not only myself to connect with candidates, but candidates to also reach out to me. When I'm looking at veteran candidates, I specifically look at transferable skills, what they have done in the past. So if there's specific certifications or specific background that would be helpful is one of the top things that I search for. Make sure that you're an asset to a company and ensure that they know that you will not be a risk. So listing additional types of education certificates or showing them that you've gone above and beyond to be who you are today is extremely important as well. My next tip would be to ensure that all acronyms are fully spelled out, to ensure that anybody reading your resume is able to understand what you did in the military. In order to avoid a lot of the rejection emails that unfortunately as recruiters we have to send out, is applying for positions that you know qualify. If you've served 5 years in the military and want to apply for a director role, that's probably not going to work itself out. But knowing that a middle management position is exactly in line with what you're doing is going to be important. Transferring out of the military isn't always the easiest, so preparing yourself for the emotional ups and downs of that is extremely important as well. But knowing that you're going to cast a net and something eventually will become of it is going to be crucial in the process.